expect the range to grow and to become even more specific and more targeted. But like I said, we chose the products that would be suitable for most people. Okay? So we're cleansing now. So I can feel a little bit of dehydration, which was the same a little bit on Farah. But by the time we completed the regimen, some of that irregular texture, it goes away. So by properly cleansing, and we didn't even exfoliate Farah, but by giving her the proper moisture, her skin already had a different texture. So with Grace, we're actually going to be exfoliating as well, because the special nighttime regimen that we're doing uses the facial exfoliant. We're going to mix it with a good amount of water. It also helps to activate your skin cell renewal rate. So as we're talking about different skin types might exfoliate a different amount of times per week. So somebody with sensitive skin or dry skin, they might only exfoliate once a week. Somebody with normal skin might exfoliate twice a week. And then, you know, we were talking about acne. Sometimes skin that has a lot of oil production also has a lot of skin cells. So they might require more exfoliation than the average person. If you want to exfoliate more, you just increase the time. You don't increase the pressure. So I'm rinsing just the crystals off. So we use an amber particle. So it comes from the resin of trees. So it has a nice sphere shape. Sometimes companies use like a crushed seed or a crushed nut, and it can be very jagged. So it actually ends up creating little micro tears in the skin. We also use different types of natural chemical exfoliants. So there's like lactic acid that can come from milk. There's glycolic acid that can come from grapes. There's different types of acids that come from different fruits that will also help to stimulate. So that's something that in the future we'll probably have as well. Her skin's been cleansed and exfoliated. We want to rebalance the pH again, so we're going to use a toner. So Grace, you're going to feel a little mist. So we have antioxidants, aloe, different extracts. So now we're going to treat her skin with the HGF. So HGF has Nona peptide 1, which is a peptide that helps with hyperpigmentation. We also have Rumex extract, which is a plant extract that helps with pigmentation. And then we also have arbutin, which also helps with hyperpigmentation. Somebody who's very oily, the HGF might almost function as their moisturizer, just depending on their skin. Because the hyaluronic acid is going to add water-based moisture without adding any oils. So in the Aqua Restore, we have some oils with squalane, but in the HGF, we have just water-based hydration. Just because it's suitable for everybody, it means everybody can use it. The main function is for pigmentation and age spots. What's interesting actually that you brought up those two is both are a type of inflammation, right? Both are a type of response from the body to try and fix something. So pigmentation is the body's immune response to UV exposure. So hyperpigmentation is a type of inflammation. It's that cell is irritated, right? Whereas acne also has another type of inflammation. It's more based on bacteria. Yeah, but both are irritations within the skin. So they're treated separately, but sometimes there is a little bit of a crossover, whereas certain things will benefit her. So the main ingredients in this product are treating the spots. However, the way that the formula is made could also be beneficial for somebody with acne. Does that make sense? There is an additional step in the night regimen. which would either be the triple max or the bioplacenta. Grace tends to have a little bit more sensitivity to her skin, so in this case, I want to ease her into trying everything. So I'm leaving that step out for now, but we can still talk about them. So for the nighttime regimen, because we did the facial exfoliant, we can also use the moon glow on her. So this has the apple stem cell, citrus stem cell,
A lot of stem cells.
acai,
Fruit stem cells.
yeah. There's fruit, herb, and tree stem cells. There's also licorice. Licorice helps with pigmentation also. So that's why this is a glow mask, is because it's helping to bring the radiance back to your skin.